Huh?
How do you control a roaring excavator on the edge of disaster? What's it like to command raw power and turn chaos into precision? Stick around, because we're about to show you how the world's toughest operators tackle extreme challenges and win. It seems that with the heavy weight of the Caterpillar Cat 330 excavator, the tracks may not have enough traction on the soft ground, causing it to slip and get stuck in this large mud pit. The process begins with using another Cat excavator to remove the surrounding mud and create a gentle slope, making it easier for the excavator to move. To enhance operational efficiency, they evenly spread a layer of sand on the surface to optimize traction during movement. Although they encountered an issue the first time, they didn't waver. The operator relied on their skillful techniques and executed a logical strategy to handle the situation immediately. Watching them pull the excavator up was a perfect example of effective problem solving. Working in a high-altitude quarry involves numerous unpredictable risks. The Kobelco SK200 excavator operates under extreme conditions, and even observing its performance can be a nerve-wracking experience. See that? The ground can collapse without warning. An operator must have absolute composure and exceptional problem-solving skills to face this challenge every single day. Breaking down and transporting a massive Caterpillar 6015B excavator is no small feat. The process starts by carefully dismantling its largest components to ensure a smooth and safe move. The bucket, stick, and counterweight are systematically removed and loaded onto separate trucks, minimizing strain on the main frame. The scene is set. A MAN TGX 540, coupled with a heavy-duty trailer, prepares to transport a massive excavator. Though the journey spans only 50 kilometers, the dismantling alone demands nearly a full day. Without careful planning, this relocation would pose significant logistical hurdles. All right, folks, you're about to witness something absolutely insane. We've got the legendary Caterpillar D11T, a monster of a machine, about to roll over a car like it's a soda can. Place your bets. Will the car hold up at all, or will it get completely flattened? Let's go. This is a prime example of why terrain assessment is absolutely crucial. This guy relied on the power of the Cat D6R to push forward but misjudged the ground stability. Now, to get out, the right technique is needed, or possibly some external assistance. Luckily, he managed to stop just in time before things got worse and bought enough time until the excavator arrived to rescue him. Steep slopes and heavy machinery? A challenging combination. But watch how a skilled operator turns a potentially risky situation into a smooth descent. It's all about balance, control, and knowing how to work with the terrain. The relocation of the 67.5-ton Hitachi ZX670-3 from the Remestrasse railway demolition site required a detail. First, the excavator had to be secured, ensuring the tracks were stable and safe. Then, the transport vehicle, typically a low-bed trailer, was carefully positioned. Strategic route planning is an essential factor, especially in urban environments. More than that, transporting a large specialized excavator under extreme weather conditions not only requires meticulous execution, but also demands the skill and dedication of seasoned professionals.
Oh my God! Look at longer there. Kevin, What? Do that machine!
Machines taking on Mother Nature. It's not something you see every day. What do you think will happen next?
Tomorrow! Do the machine! Do that!
The Caterpillar 6030, with 1,649 horsepower and a 33-ton bucket, maximizes productivity in harsh mining environments. Additionally, with a total weight of 324 tons, its stability ensures smooth operation even under extreme loads. If efficiency and reliability are your priorities, this excavator is the solution. Wow! The excavator operator flawlessly loaded the logs onto the truck. But an unexpected twist occurred when the oversized log caused the back end of the excavator to lift dramatically. You know, in the world of heavy lifting, precision is everything. A mobile tower crane nearly tipped into the Kolonivart Canal while navigating around an excavator. Fortunately, a well-coordinated emergency response and strategic salvage operation prevented disaster. I've seen machines struggle in tough conditions, but not the 90-ton Caterpillar 385C. This beast powers through mud, rock, and anything else in its way. When you need equipment that won't quit, this is the machine you count on. A winding, challenging road, and one clear mission: get it up the mountain safely. There's no room for error. Every 180-degree turn demands absolute precision from the driver and the operation team. They anticipated every risk, controlled every factor, and executed the job flawlessly. A textbook example of heavy haul engineering. Watch as this excavator tears down the Hamburg City Nord post office, piece by piece. Every hit, every crack echoes decades of history, making way for something new. The power, the precision. There's something mesmerizing about demolition at this scale. It's not just destruction, it's transformation. What an engineering marvel! The Caterpillar 988B can lift up to around 6 to 7 tons of rock. Handling such massive loads requires careful control to prevent overloading, which could lead to instability or machinery damage. Have you ever seen an excavator dive into a ditch like this? The Randon excavator from PMITAPEVASP plunges into the trench and clears the stream. Pure power in every move. If this video impresses you, drop a 1 in the comments. Your support is our motivation. It's astonishing to see this excavator tackle treacherous ground, teetering on the edge with every move. Its struggle against the harsh terrain highlights its strength and resilience. Driving this machine is no easy feat. It demands intense focus and a high level of expertise. But when you see this man operate the excavator, you won't believe your eyes. Forget everything you know about excavators, because the EX8000 is in a league of its own. Designed for high-performance digging, it boasts a massive 30 cubic meter bucket, capable of filling 6 trucks in a single scoop. Weighing in at 816 tons, it's even heavier than a fully loaded Boeing 747. If you need power and efficiency, this is the machine for the job. This is the kind of challenge that only an expert driver can handle. The MAN TGS 33.480, pulling 5 heavy Komatsu excavators, inches its way through the unforgiving mountain road. Now it faces the toughest curve yet. A single miscalculation here, and it's a disaster waiting to happen. A masterful way to unload an 8.5-ton excavator from a truck without ramps or extra support. An impressive feat of engineering and skill.
¿Y tiene atún?
No, pero María.
No.
The excavator seems to be the only hope for this troubled truck. Oh, it looks like the driver might need a cup of coffee to stay alert.
Fotos. Va bien. Vamos, fotos. Señores. Venga, va. Ya está fuera, chavales. Hacer fotos, coño. Quiero fotos.
In this scenario, would you have considered removing a log to ease the load? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Ow, oh! Here is the impressive journey of the Liebherr 984 excavator as it is transported across a mining site. The transportation is handled by a MAN TGX 41.540 truck, combined with a specialized heavy-duty trailer designed for on-site transport. Moving such a large excavator under these challenging conditions requires a blend of skill and expertise, not only from the truck operator but also from the entire support team. That was a game changer, wasn't it? If you loved what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to stay ahead with our cutting-edge content. This is Forestry Tech, where innovation never stops. See you next time.